Alright fellas, what's up? Welcome to a new video. So we got the studio all rearranged. We got some new lights, stepping up our game. Got the purple LEDs right there for that purple rain. Plum nasty, y'all know purple's my favorite color. But yeah, inspired by Captain Caleb. So the lighting in my last video was absolute trash in the last couple videos. So ordered some lights, finally got them in. Now I can make this video. I'm trying to step my game up for the new year. But anyways, we're fishing with some fat boys, and we're actually fishing them from the boat. So this is the gringo right here. This is what I was throwing. My dad was throwing a plum nasty. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a couple tips for fishing them from a boat. They're kind of hard to fish from a boat, not gonna lie. You need the right conditions and stuff. Wade fishing, my confidence with the Corky is way up here. From the boat, confidence dips a lot. It's just harder to fish with. But yeah, I was doing an experiment the entire month of December, throwing only Corkies, so that's why I was throwing it from the boat. But anyways, first tip I have is you need to be anchored down. You need to like power pull down or throw the anchor out. And yeah, man, just be stationary, because if you're drifting, say you cast it out, you're here in the boat and you're working the Corky, but you're drifting towards it, you're not going to cover a lot of water. And it's a little harder to stay in contact with your lure. You might not be able to get it down as much as you want. So you're just gonna catch less fish. And then the second tip, it makes it a whole lot easier if there's like low winds, no winds. Being in the boat, you're higher up above the water, so you get a lot of slack in your line if it's windy. And yeah, it just makes it easier if you have low winds throwing these Corkies from the boat. Soft plastic or top water is like way more effective throwing from the boat. But if you want to try and get a Corky bite from the boat, I think you need those two things. All right, so the conditions, we were fishing in the evening. Wasn't too cool, had warmed up some, outgoing tide. Water was still really low. And yeah, we found some fish in some marsh drains. So my dad caught a nice trout. We caught some really nice redfish. So I hope y'all enjoy, and let's get into the video. Nice. That's a good trout. That's a good trout. Yep, nice one. Barely hooked. Came out. Like 20. Yeah, that's a nice one.
That's a hefty one.
Nice one.
First catch of the day. About 20 and a half. 3 pounds. On the Corky.
You put the power pole down?
That's a drum.
Yeah,
That's where
I saw a sheep head or something right there.
Maybe it's a sheep head, but the way I thought I was hung up.
Wait, did you cast though? Your lure was just on the ground?
I was dragging it while you were moving us.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'll just drag it for a while and let calm off. I think it's a sheep head.
Yeah, because I saw a sheep head over here kind of go. That's funny. This hooked pretty good. You could probably flip
that's
them.
a nice one. Yeah. And these are good.
I got fat lips.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty deep. This cut, it's pretty deep.
Yeah.
like kind of the same thing as the other one. Good one. Man, I didn't even do anything. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good trout. Not taking drag though. Maybe hooked on the side. Is it a trout? It rolled like a trout out there. Oh. Now he's fighting. It's a red. Yeah. Nice. Got him on the gringo. Almost 23. He didn't fight like it though. Nice. Redfish. Or giant trout. Corky? I don't know, that like mine didn't fight that hard. It's weird. Yeah. Just when he got to the boat, it kind of fought, but. That's a keeper.
It's funny how they're just not running.
Yeah.
Nasty.
Nice. There we go. That one's fighting like a redfish. You thump it or no? He ran with it.
Yeah. And then I didn't feel nothing, and then he thumped it again. That's gotta be another redfish.
Yep, it's a good one. Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Nice and heavy.
Got it. Yep. There we go. Yep. Nice. Yeah, redfish. Yep. Now they're fighting.
Uh-huh.
I said now they're fighting. Those first two didn't fight.
Yeah.
But this one did. And yours. 7. What? 8.
Just that that's
Oh, I lost it. Yeah. How long was it, Dina? Well, Corky. Nah, he's probably like 26.
Yeah, I think you're right. 27 and a half.
Oh, really?
Tournament.
Yeah, and he is big.
It might be a little smaller. It's hard to gauge it. Another one on the Corky. About 7 pounds.
I just lost one. Destroyed it. He bent it.
That same spot.
Yeah, I know, right?
Ah, I lost it.
Did you?
I lost it.
God, that one hit close.
Right there.
Jeez.
Almost scares you, right?
Yeah. That's a big one. Man, I wasn't expecting that. Probably be a little while. You wanted it. Let me switch you. If we don't lose this one.
Take it.
Good one. Might be oversized.
It'll be close.
It's a nice one. Hooked him on the side. He fought hard. He's good. He's 27.
Really?
Yeah, pinch tail 27. Nice one. Fourth in the box. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, but real quick, I just want to tell a couple people thank you and announce the winner to the giveaway. So I actually went live 3 times on Instagram, man, because the first 2 winners donated the box back. So James and Coastal K, thank you for giving the box back and yeah, allowing someone else to win it. So the winner was John Montemayor. I already talked to him, contacted him, and I'm going to meet up with him soon. But don't get discouraged if you didn't win. You're going to have another chance here soon when we hit 5K. So we'll have a big giveaway for 5K also. And yeah, again, thank you to James. He's been an OG subscriber. He's been a subscriber for a long time. Also, thank you to Coastal K. So he actually has his own YouTube channel also and has a lot of success fishing with Corky. So if you want to see someone else fish with Corkys and catch some big trout, go check out his channel. And yeah, so that's basically it. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. So when we got that first bite, the fish were kind of stacked up. We lost it. Almost hooked myself, man. What the? Almost hooked myself, bro. What? I'm gonna put this thing away.